Well, I am back with yet another stunning Prima release. So this just released. It is called Among the Wildflowers for the spring of 2026. Hello, everyone. It's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com, and I am going to be sharing with you this brand new release, at least most of the items. Because there's only so much that I can fit on screen. Of course, everything is available in the online store, and not to mention additional pictures and everything else information that you want to know. But I'm going to do a super quick walkthrough just to give you a sampling of what this collection looks like and what it entails. So let's jump right in because as you can see, there's quite a few elements. I'm going to start with the paper line collection. The paper line has three different sizes. You have your 12 by 12, you have your 8 by 6, and you have a 6 by 6 as well. So the 12 by 12 features 6 double-sided designs, 2 of each sheet, which would be 12, and then you get 2 of the cutout element sheets as well. So let me show you what the collection brings because it's got the most beautiful colors, as you can see, and everything that we love about nature. Here we have our cut aparts, beautiful frames, as well as butterflies, bees, and more. And we are off with a gorgeous front page, which is divine. Great colors, very soft, almost watercolor type of a look. I'll try and bring this up just for some detail, so hopefully the camera will capture those beautiful watercolor finishes. Here is the B side to that. Beautiful florals. Lots of birds, which I am a total bird lover. How many of you out there also love birds? If you have a favorite bird, I would love to know what it is in the comments. Love the old books and ledgers. Lots of great texture going on in the background as well. And I'm loving these top strips. I don't know if you've been paying attention, but all of the strips up top are definitely usable. How pretty is that? Oh, I love that one. Some great finishes and splatters on there. And then we have the other freebie cut apart. So we have different elements on here, including some beautiful windows and bird houses. And that completes the 12 by 12. Now the 6 by 8 contains 15 sheets. And you can see they are double-sided. What I'll do is I'll do this side and then I'll flip it over so that I can kind of keep it steady for you guys. You have 2 of each of the sheets. And then some more ephemera and yet some more on there as well. And then we've got a page of vellum. And then we're going to flip it over and we're going to look at those backs because they are equally as beautiful. Lovely. And then we've got our 6 by 6. The 6 by 6 features 26 pages. And it's going to be like our 12 by 12. However, items or images are going to be a little smaller. And then you're going to get 4 of each sheet. So we've seen these already, but I want to give you the size comparison. Look how cute that is. Great to have the different sizes too, because maybe you want the swing to be a little smaller or maybe a little bigger. And again, we get the fun freebie cut aparts. In addition to that, we also have some gorgeous decoupage sheets. There are 3 different sheets in the pack. They are an A4 size. And you're going to get the following gorgeous decoupage sheets. This will be one. Here is another. These are great, of course, for anything that you want to use because they have that fabric type of a feel to them. So even if you want to use them on a garbage can or on a tumbler or something to that effect, you most certainly can get some beautiful effects as well as furniture. But they make great covers as well because they do bring that, they're fibrous, so they do bring that strength as well to your projects. So those are the 3 sheets that are included in the decoupage fiber pack. There's also a set of rub-ons. This again, these are very easy to use. If you've never used rub-on transfers, it's quite simple. You're simply going to cut the image that you want. You're going to use your rubbing stick to rub that image onto your page and then lift at that protective film, and it will leave that image transfer directly onto the piece of fabric or paper that you're using, canvas, etc. But you've got beautiful images on there as well. Don't forget the packaging. The packaging is quite lovely as well. So make sure that you save your packaging and reuse it as well. Okay, then we've also got a stunning silicone mold. Once again, Prima molds are food safe so long as you keep them specifically for food. If you're going to use other products, then they will no longer be food safe. So just decide if you want to use it for crafting or for food, or if you know you like to do both, as I've mentioned in the past, you want to buy one of each, two, excuse me, and keep one for food and one specifically for crafting. But on here, you're going to have your gorgeous boots, your wooden fence, your window with the shutters, the watering can, the nest, the bird, the birdhouse, the spade, and so much more. Packaging, stunning again, but the details on here are just simply beautiful. Amazing details. Look at all of the detail on that nest. So beautiful molds to work with as well. Because they are silicone, you can use every product in here that you would like. As I mentioned, they are even food safe. So they can go in the freezer, they can also go in the oven and used with your crafting products. There's also a tag pad that was released with this collection. And this one has 40 sheets. They measure 3 by 6. They're 230 GSM. You get 10 sheets and then you get 4 of each. So you have plenty on there. So you don't have to hoard them, right? You don't have to hang on to them because you can decide that you have 4. Not only that, but they are double-sided. So if you'd like to use one maybe for this side and one for the other side, that's great. But if not, they're amazing for simply using in your journals or for gifts as well, because there is room on the back for you to write a sentiment, add a photo, write a poem, maybe a favorite scripture or quote. Lovely, lovely collection pad. And then, as I mentioned, the backs are also all different. I'm sorry, they're all the same, I beg your pardon. But they are lined, which is so fun because then you can use them to have some thoughts, names, to and from, etc. Then we've got journaling note cards. The journaling note cards are also a great pack. They contain 15 different designs. You get 3 of each. These are 4 inches by 6 inches. So you get a total of 45 on here. They are as well double-sided. So I'm just going to kind of skip around a bit just to show you that they are different than what we've already seen. They are double-sided, so you can use the backs as well, or once again, you can use that to journal or to mount a photo if you'd like, or to create an interactive feature. They also make great postcards because you can mail them so long as you put in a stamp on them. And I'll show you the back on there. So they are lovely, front or back. Then we also have the spools of yarn. You're going to get 4 different coordinating colors, 15 yards per spool, and you can see the beautiful colors that just go with that line perfectly. Now, the other line that we did, the Sweet Spring, also had some flowers. The good news is both the yarn, the flowers from the Sweet Spring collection, and even the Say It with the crystals coordinate across both lines. So it's easy to mix and match also from the lines. So if you get this, you know that you could use it across 2 or multiple lines. The same thing with this, and the same thing with the flowers from Sweet Spring. I will make sure that you guys had that video up as well. So if you want to check out the other line that they just released from Prima, it's called Sweet Spring. I will go ahead and leave a link maybe in the description box for you guys to make it super easy to find. And then you'll see the beautiful colors in that one as well. The next thing we're going to feature is going to be the 48 pieces of crystals. And these are multifaceted, as you can see, beautiful crystals. Once again, lovely packaging. So that is completely reusable. And then we've got 2 different little things as far as ephemera is concerned. The tickets are, of course, gorgeous. The pack contains the gorgeous packaging, plus it contains 36 tickets total. And they come in these strips. They are pre-perforated and punched out for you. So you can see just how lovely these are to tear apart. Okay, you're going to get 3 of that strip that I just showed you. Okay, and then you're going to get 3 of this other finish or strip. Lovely. So 3 of those. And then finally, we've got the 76-piece ephemera set. Oh boy, 76 pieces. Let's see if we can get that to focus for you. And as you can see, they are gorgeous vellum pieces. You're going to have butterflies and bees in all different sizes, in different directions, as well as florals, which is gorgeous. Again, for additional photos, I will also leave a link to the online store where you can go and check out the all of these products in a way that you can even magnify the picture so you can take a more up close. I know some of you probably are watching on a phone or a smaller device, and if you are, it's kind of hard to see, but I will leave that link as well. Of course, all of the products that you've seen featured here today are available in our online store, spectrumartcreations.com. Please make sure you give it a visit. We would really appreciate it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And of course, we just love to hear your comments, period. What do you think about this line? Do you love it? Of course, right? Beautiful colors, so much to do, not to mention that it also coordinates very well with the other line that they released. So you can see how you can definitely stretch out your money, get more for your buck, which is always a great deal. If you're not subscribed to our channel, we certainly hope that you will go ahead and click on that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you know every time we release new videos, as well as classes and projects and everything else that we do here on YouTube. Make sure you join our Facebook group. I'm also going to leave another video here at the end for you to watch, and I will see you there. Thanks so much for joining us. Bye.